Hello, we are the original Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are very excited to share with you what might be the most valuable 2019 Porsche 911 Speedster in the world right now. Number 1756 of 1948, we'll tell you about it in just a moment. As we mentioned, this is Speedster number 1756 of the 1948 limited production run. It's painted in Paint-to-Sample Meissen Blue. It has been driven only 100 miles since new. It was shipped to Porsche Palm Springs. Our client ordered it from the factory with a total MSRP of $362,000. That includes almost $53,000 of Special Wishes interior options. The handsome interior is a combination of Bordeaux leather with that Meissen Blue used as accents. Meissen Blue was first used on 356As, and with all the various options, this is absolutely a one-of-one spec. Could this currently be the most valuable 991 Speedster in the world? We'll find out because it's live right now on Bring a Trailer. Good luck!